Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon Dusseldorf, and what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you this motorhome in front of me. Top of the range from Eura Mobil is this. It says here, made in Germany, fit for Scandinavia. It is the Integra i890QB. There's the price, 185,000 euros, 9-meter class, 899 centimeters, 232 wide, and a height at external of 292. So effectively it's heading up for 200,000 euros. Note, it's got a double floor, it's got a bed up front, it's got an absolutely magnificent lounge here. And I'm trying to make it a bit, what's happened to the lights? I'm asking myself. Are we on? No, I'm afraid that's the best I can do. Anyway, so let's hope that we can see it around. And the 12 volt, incidentally, because it's a trade fair and often I don't have the batteries taken out, so I've got if they pulled the plug on me somewhere, then I can't actually get you any better as far as the light's concerned. Wow, so we've got here this queen bed, place here for the television. We've got this storage down here. We've got, well, it's magnificent. The bed will go up like that, so you can see whilst you're lying down on the bed. You can have a look down the rest of the van. You've got aircon up there. You've got this unit here as well, same as what's on the other side. There you go. I'll even open this one up for you, because this one here has the mirror in, and down here we have more space. I think the idea of this was actually because the lady's supposed to sleep on the left hand side, so the man gets the television and the lady gets the mirror. Wardrobes at either side of the bed, couple of steps up to it, sit on the bed, open the wardrobe. Look at that, very good. We've got a nice large window on either side, and we can admire the rain from here. USBs down here, heating here, and here we've got a gap so I can see into the garage, so you can check your bicycle still there. Note the double floor all the way back and flat floor right the way at the front. I wanted to turn the light on in the shower. Oh, I could have used my other phone. It's got a really, my other phone, which is an S23 Ultra, has got a really good night camera on it. Anyway, I didn't use it. So here we've got a bench in the shower. That is fantastic for those of us who go cycling and need to get our feet clean after a cycle ride. In here we've got the toilet and a mirror here, and up there a skylight, and we've got a window here as well. Note the kitchen, how elegant this curve is in it. Big molded sink. Up here we've got 2 burners there, and there's a third one over here. Now that's handy for having more workspace. We've got here places to keep spices, and up here there is more storage. This here will open. You can keep a coffee machine in there because there's an electric plug, and so it's 230 volts. You could actually use the inverter to connect your batteries to the 230 throughout the vehicle. Storage down here. Bed drops down, and of course you have to make the seats go down as well. Look, aren't they wonderful seats in this Integra? Absolutely brilliant. But this table is magnificent. I think it's about the largest table I know in any motorhome. You can put a television over there, and here's where you would normally be able to turn the 12 volt on if it were connected. So clearly isn't. So a little bit more storage here. There you go, wine glasses. And over here we've got a grill That'll make you make your pizzas in there. Freezer and fridge down here. And this is one of these ones that opens in both directions. Here we've got useful feature, something I appreciate. There's a wardrobe. Another slide out there. Note here the drawers. We've got this big one here, like that. Here. And I think these are particularly well made. Look how close it comes to each other. Wow, isn't that good? I think that's, I'm trying to put them so you can see how they are. That's really well made in my opinion. Now anyway, I mentioned the double floor, so let's have a quick look at it. And come down here. There, really deep. Now, in most EuraMobil models, the double floor is not so deep. But this is similar to that in Carthago and in Hymer. Super elegant. Anyway, let's now come around to the rear. So you've got a big garage here, despite having a queen bed inside. Oh, there's these people in here driving around at those speeds. Got here electrical connection, 12 volt. Could come in handy for charging things in the rear. And here we've got this. That doesn't come with it actually. This is a feature. It's an extra you can get. But that sort of thing, very useful in my opinion. Take you around here to the front. Gas goes there. More storage. You've got a door in the driver's side so you can get out easily when you fill up with fuel. So there is where the fuel goes. So that is the top of the range from EuraMobil. It's a long van. Yeah, I'm even going to walk around here to get a better view of it. I think it's a magnificent piece of equipment. I really like this one. I really like EuraMobil as a brand. I find the internal furnishings are really attractive. In fact, if there's one brand that I think ought to sponsor me, it's probably EuraMobil or Hymer. Maybe not with one of these vehicles, because that's probably not my scene, but something a bit smaller, with a smaller integrated model, that would be really good. Anyway, it's not going to happen, so I may as well just dream on. So, thanks very much for watching. I hope you found it interesting. I'll try and put more details in the description, but if there isn't anything there, then I apologize up front. But I do usually try to put as much in the description as I can think of, including what the packets are and other details. And particularly with this vehicle here, the winter packet is particularly interesting. All the best from me in Germany. Bye for now.